Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guide. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Now, one of the services that our clients most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used on a different carrier other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used with the original carrier or network, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Galaxy J3 Star, originally from T-Mobile here in the US. And this is one where we have not had it unlocked yet because as we can see on the lock screen here, we can see that it says invalid SIM card, network locked SIM card inserted. And then if we swipe that away from the lock screen, we can see here that we get the message talking about the network lock, saying that that message basically means that this device has not yet undergone that SIM unlock process from T-Mobile. Now, if we go ahead and hit OK there, we will then be able to see that when it loads up the home screen, the device is not asking for an unlock code. And that's because T-Mobile stopped using those back in maybe 2013 or 2014, and instead they use this device unlock application that's on the phone. So they control everything when it comes to the SIM unlocking now for their Android devices. It is an app that they preload here in their own folder. So that's an app that they want you to use when it comes to the SIM unlocking, and it is something that they will do for you, of course, if you meet all of the requirements. We've been contacted by plenty of people over the years asking us for help with getting the phone unlocked because they didn't meet the requirements, either because they were sold the phone by a dishonest seller who didn't tell them about the status of the device, or because they themselves did not necessarily meet T-Mobile's requirements for getting it done. They usually require that you either have the phone fully paid off or have it active with them for a certain amount of time or something like that. We're making this video to let all of our clients know that we do offer a service to be able to get the SIM unlock done for the phone, and that's actually what I've been running on the phone right here, right now, while it's been connected. As you can see here, it's just starting to restart, so now we should be able to see that we don't get those error messages on the phone anymore, and it should work perfectly fine with our test SIM card that we have inserted. So we'll just give it a second there to finish powering up, and then we'll see what we have. There we go. So the SIM card that we have inserted runs on Cricket, which is a prepaid provider here in the US which uses AT&T's towers. We can also notice that that invalid SIM card message is no longer there on the lock screen, and then if we go ahead and swipe that away, we do not get the full screen network locked message either. So just so you can take a closer look at what's going on, we'll go ahead and jump into the settings and show you a couple of things really quick. First is going to be the specific model that we're working with here. Again, this is a J3 Star, originally from T-Mobile, with the model number J337T there. And then if we go under, let's see, network, we should be able to see and get the confirmation about the network status. SIM card status, there we go. So under this menu, it does confirm that we are indeed running on Cricket with our LTE signal enabled there. You can obviously see the signal bars, the internet status, and everything is there up at the top. So the SIM unlock has now been performed to this model, and it is able to be used on any GSM networks. In the US, the other GSM network in addition to T-Mobile would be AT&T, and then most of the rest of the world also uses GSM technology. So internationally, this device should be able to work on most other networks in other countries also. So if you have a Galaxy J3 Star from T-Mobile and would like to get its SIM unlocked without having to go through them, get in touch with us because we would love to help you out with that. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the information there as well. Make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanos hablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.